What are data trends and why do they matter?
Data trends are patterns or changes that emerge over time in information, like sales increasing each month or customers preferring certain products. Spotting these trends helps people and businesses make smart decisions, predict future outcomes, and solve problems. However, with large amounts of data, finding trends manually is tough. That's where AI tools come in.
How do AI tools find trends instantly?
Modern AI apps use algorithms to scan huge data sets in seconds. They look for repeating patterns, sudden changes, or unusual spikes. By processing information much faster than a human could, AI highlights trends that might otherwise go unnoticed, whether that's in sales numbers, website visits, or even sensor data from machines.
Step 1. Preparing your data for AI analysis.
Before using an AI tool, make sure your data is organized. This might mean putting it into a spreadsheet or database, making sure there are no missing values, and removing mistakes. Clean and well-structured data allows the AI app to give you clearer, more accurate insights about the trends hiding in your information.
Step 2. Using an AI trend detection tool.
Open your chosen AI app and upload your data. Most tools guide you to choose what type of trend to look for, such as time trends or category differences. With a click, the AI scans and visualizes your data, often using charts or graphs. The tool might also write a summary, explaining what it has found in simple language.
Step 3. Interpreting and acting on AI insights.
After the AI identifies trends, review its findings carefully. Look for patterns or outliers it highlights. Use these insights to make decisions, improve strategies, or address potential problems early. While AI can spot hidden trends, it's still important to use human judgment and context before acting on the results.
The power of AI. Faster, smarter decision-making.
Make trend detection much faster and more accessible. They help people focus on what matters in growing amounts of data, turning raw numbers into useful knowledge. By combining your understanding with AI speed, you can make smarter, data-driven decisions every day.